Well, hey there, it's Jen.
And Elke, welcome back to the Jen and Elke show, where we talk about print-on-demand marketing and strategy. And today is no different. We are focusing in on a new product that we definitely think you should market and have as a strategy to sell in your store. Usually we hold off on some of these new products because we go like, I don't know. But in this case, absolutely. And the reason that we're going to suggest you do these right off the bat, first of all, we've even had our students do those already, and we've got some examples, but is that you are seeing already that the Zazzle sellers are using different items, like different product types, to generate the use of these things, which are event tickets. And now Zazzle has introduced actual perforated event tickets, which means that they're the right size and they have a perforation, which is absolutely amazing because we didn't have to source that as sellers. We didn't have to go check with suppliers and figure out where we were going to get those. Instead, Zazzle's done the work for us again. Again, one of the reasons why Zazzle is the print-on-demand platform that you've got to be on. And you've got to use us as coaches and consultants to just get ramped up to speed so you can just keep selling, which is awesome. That's what we want everyone to do, is keep contributing to this community of amazing Zazzle sellers that keep building and building this platform, because there is enough room for everybody. Now, let's get into event tickets. Now, event tickets can be used for a multitude of things. Do you want to actually share the screen? Zazzle, we just have to share this because Zazzle just did such a great job of explaining exactly what you can use these event tickets for. So, and they've already listened not only who should be receiving them, what to use them for in terms of occasion, what keywords to use, and the design theme. You cannot go wrong. Like, it is the first time in a long time that Zazzle's really laid it all out when they've introduced a new product as to what these are going to be used for. And so you have just a roadmap to go for it. And that's one of the reasons why we want you to also just jump right in, because it's going to be an interesting and lucrative market for these event tickets. Okay, so we're talking schools for fundraisers, nonprofit charities like event dinners and balls and galas, group church programs such as like where they're going to raise funds. Families and individuals are going to be able to use these for birthdays and baby showers. Community organizations are going to use them for big events like carnivals and festivals. Event organizers can use them for, well, they have galas, but silent auctions, but even just like concerts and so on. The sky is the limit, right? Maybe not big, huge, Lady Gaga tickets, but obviously other tickets for more low key, but not still big events that are happening in people's communities. Business and corporate, such as professional development events and galas. Are there any others, or that's it? Yeah. And then all of those have different keywords and design themes that you can already check out. This is in the Zazzle community. All you have to do is search Zazzle community. You have to be a seller and you have to be logged in. You can see that we're logged into this community, and then just search for Zazzle tickets. But it's free to join Zazzle and to open up a store. And as soon as you join, you get access to this community. And then you can get all the details, including the fact that there's two options in terms of the size, and that there's some other details that you can learn about in terms of that you can do this, what is it, double-sided, and there's even envelopes. It's really kind of fun that they're getting that detailed. They never used to. It was just like, here, we've released a new product, go figure it out. Yeah. And now they're becoming so much more helpful, which I think is, to our benefit as well as to their benefit, because on the Zazzle platform, they are offering all of this for us to use as sellers. And now we take advantage of it because they want to make money, we want to make money, and everybody's happy. Okay, so let's have a look at some examples that they have listed here in that the community announcement. They listed certain links, and it's kind of fun because some of them are our students, not Ricasso, but that person has been around since the beginning, just when we first started. Amazing designer, and you can see they've made a cover image, but if you just go down now, Jen, the arrow down to the bottom one where the person's holding it, keep going down in terms of what Zazzle offers, that gives you a better idea as to what they look like. Okay. And so this is the idea, is don't forget to design it in a way that ultimately it's pretty clear as to where you're supposed to separate the two pieces of paper, because that's where the perforation is. And then also it gives you the full idea as to what this ticket size looks like. Yeah. And what other, that's for obviously, what did they label it as?
This is for a baseball birthday party.
Absolutely. That's a good idea, right? And then there's this one here, which is an event gala ticket.
Golf charity.
And that was like a raffle, right? Yeah, that's a raffle. Yeah.
Yes.
I have already really big glasses, but I'm still going to the screen.
I can read them. So this is an elegant gold star golf charity event raffle ticket. And this is actually one of our students. And so they've really niched it down. So it's for the sports community, but it's also a charity event. And it's also the raffle ticket, which is quite cool. So they've used the perforated edge or a bottom part there to fill out their information for the raffle ticket. Then we have here, this is also one of our students, and it is a simple editable yellow VIP ticket template. So they've just done a ticket template, and it can be for any event. It's not very specific, and this is more of a general type of design, and which is kind of neat because having either be it niched down to something is very specific, or if you do something general like this, that can be applicable to a lot of things, right? As long as you make it somehow customizable where people can put in obviously their event name and then also have their information of what the event actually is. Then we have last here is a professional company corporate event raffle ticket. So once again, this is somebody who's done a raffle ticket, and they've actually added now things on the back too for their social media and their website with those QR codes, and also personalized it for the company where they've added your logo here. So they're kind of incorporating the business side of things into the raffle ticket as well, which is quite neat.
Yeah, and that's another one of our students. And that's the whole point is, first of all, Zazzle's the amazing platform. You can see the variation of the designs. Do not copy those. Those are those people's copyrighted designs. If you now become a bestseller and then people start copying your designs, you would be totally upset. And plus, it's against the law. And so be respectful, but understand that if you bring your own version of a design to the table, you can always still create a birthday baseball themed ticket and a VIP ticket and a gala raffle ticket, but you can't use exactly the same designs, and that it would be that's just not where we like to go. And but the point here is that they were all very different, right? And that is the key on Zazzle platform, is difference yet same use. And when you create something that's unique and different, people will pay for that. And especially in this economy, this is the most important part of hearing this. This is not a sea of sameness. This is your chance to make sure that your product stands out, because that's what Zazzle shoppers want. They want something unique and different. Go and deliver that and create some amazing event tickets. Okay?
Yes. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.